In this video, I'll show you how to print using your iPad. This can be done in two different ways. The first way is to connect your printer, no matter which brand you have, to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPad. And the second way is to use Wi-Fi direct, which means that you're going to connect your iPad to the Wi-Fi of your printer. For this to work, you'll need to get the Wi-Fi direct password of your printer. Usually, if you have a screen, it's quite easy by going in the Wi-Fi settings. But if you don't have a screen, don't worry. On your printer, you're going to find a button that looks like an eye or something similar. Depending on which model you have, you can press and get the password printed. Obviously, you need to enable Wi-Fi direct first. But in this video, I have connected this printer to the same Wi-Fi as this iPad. So once this is done, all you have to do is to open any file on your iPad. Could be also a picture. In my case, I want a PDF file, so I'll open the Files app. And once you have the document you want to print or the picture, you're going to find this icon, a square with an arrow pointing up. If you have opened a picture, this logo may be on the lower left side, so check out around there. Okay, so once you press on it, if you look down below, you're going to have print. If you do not see print, you may have to scroll down. Press on print. On the top, you have to select your printer, so click here. And if your printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPad, it will appear in this list. Click on it. Down below, you're going to have the number of copies that you can change. Print in color. Do you want to print on both sides of your page in case your printer is capable of that? The size of the paper you want to print, and if let's say you want to print a picture or a painting, an artwork, something with fine details, click on media quality. And over here, you're going to have draft, normal, and best. By default, your iPad is always in normal mode. And this is fine if you're printing text. But again, if you're printing pictures, drag this slider to best and yeah, you're going to notice a difference. For text, you won't notice it. So yeah, I'll leave it there. And at the end, simply press the print button. If your printer is out of paper, you may get this message. Click OK. And you remove this. And in around 12 seconds, you should get the result coming out. So this is how you print using your iPad. Now, if you do not see your printer once you click on printer there, even though both are connected to the same Wi-Fi, what I suggest is you simply restart your iPad and you restart your printer. So turn it off, turn it on back again, do the same thing on your iPad. If you don't know how, it's very easy. Just hold the volume button over here and the power button. It's a bit hard to do with one hand only, but here we go. Slide this to power off, power back on by clicking on the power button, and everything should work fine. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.